Alright folks, today I'm gonna show you how to grill this awesome looking surf and turf burger with whiskey cocktail sauce. Time to grill! So don't waste our time, we're gonna get started with the sauce. First thing we need is mayonnaise. 3 tablespoons of German's finest mayonnaise. Of course you can use any other mayo you like. Then we need ketchup. I guess most of you have already done a cocktail sauce. So this is more or less a basic recipe for cocktail sauce, but instead of using cognac in Germany, we're gonna use some single malt whiskey from Scotland today. So after these 2 ingredients, we need some French mustard here, yellow mustard. Of course I will put the exact amount of ingredients into the video description as always, so you can make this awesome sauce. Lemon juice, half a lemon, and a shot of single malt whiskey. I used Glenfiddich today, but you can use any single malt whiskey you prefer or like. Some more seasoning here, that's one of my newest seasonings. We're gonna come back to that in a couple of days. Now give it a good mix. Make sure it's creamy enough and gets a nice consistency. For me this one is the perfect recipe. Single malt whiskey here adds nice flavor and is much better than any other spirit you can put in there. So that's the consistency we are looking for. Now we're going to put these into the fridge for 2 hours, and in the meantime we're going to prepare the burger. So these are prawns here, pre-cooked prawns. You can buy these in any German grocery store. About 50 grams or so, a little bit less, a little bit, doesn't matter exactly. So we're going to cut them into rough pieces, not cut them too fine. We want to taste the bites inside the patty. So we're gonna throw this into a bowl. This is how it looks like. Then we're gonna add some ground beef, 150 grams or so, and then we're gonna add the spices. We're gonna need some fruity rub. That's one of my own rubs here. It's more or less lemon drop chili with mango. We're gonna add some fish and butter seasoning, dried herbs here. And then we're gonna mix this until you have a nice looking patty. So just make sure when you start mixing it and forming the patty that you make sure you have the prawns everywhere in the meat and not only at one place. That's kind of a challenge here. I really like surf and turf and enjoy the combination of seafood and minced beef. That's really cool for me. I haven't made a surf and turf burger for a longer time, so this is on my to-do list for a longer time. I'm glad to make it now. So here we go. Now form a patty. So this one is fine enough, big enough for one burger. Make sure it fits approximately to the size of your burger bun. That's what we are looking for. Now we're gonna grill this one over direct heat, 4 till 5 minutes per side. Then we're gonna flip this one and then we put it to indirect heat. For me it's the goal to have it a little bit medium rare in the middle, or medium. No problem for the prawns because they're pre-cooked. So this is the faster version. You can see now how fast this one is grilling. So give it a flip. So here you go, then some minutes to indirect heat and we're ready to build this one. So let's get started with the bottom bun. We're gonna add some sauce for the beginning. Then for me, some nice fresh green things are very good as well. So this is arugula, and then we're gonna add the patty. If you want, you can add cheese to that. For me, cheese was just too much for this burger, so I decided just to take some more of that sauce. Add the other part of the bun, and we're ready to eat this one. So I will give this a shot. You can have now some sound from my real garden live recording from the moment I recorded this video. Make sure to hit that like, subscribe button and leave a comment if you are into surf and turf burgers. Thanks for watching. I'm out. See you. Whoa, that's freaking awesome. Thanks for watching. Der Wintergriller. Prost!